What's up, everybody? This is Bitcoin Derek, also known as D the Rebel. Derek Brewer coming at you with another great video about Xsinergia. And it's a great opportunity to earn 0.5 to 3% daily. Now, the company I'm talking about was started by two brothers who already had a company for over 14 years. And what they have done was put their travel company and e-commerce company and added a cryptocurrency academy to the program. And they're showing you guys how to pretty much you can use Bitcoin to get your to travel, get your hotel, car reservations and stuff like that, which is new. A lot of people do not have the chance to use Bitcoin to purchase these items when traveling. So this is a upgrade as far as for being able to use your Bitcoin for some instead of just sitting on it or trying to grow it that way. People are utilizing their Bitcoin, which is great. This is it's been paying out daily. I say weekly you're getting about anywhere from 5 to 7%, which is great. That's over pretty much like almost 28% monthly. That's unheard of. If your money is sitting in the bank, you're not making anything. So I strongly recommend that you guys check out Xsinergia and at least get signed up. Sign up for free. Check it out. Learn more about it. A lot of people don't understand how it's done, how the trading bot is making your how you're making the money daily, and you make up to 200% on your initial package. And our packages go from $100 to $50,000. The minimum is $100. There's a $15 administration fee for every time you start a new package. And that's pretty much all you have to do. You do not have to promote this to anyone, but of course, if you promote it, you're gonna make money, passive income in the binary, and the binary pays well. We're showing our people how to pretty much make 20K in 12 weeks using the power of two. You come in with your initial investment, get your two people, and show them how to do the same thing. And that's it. It is that simple with Xsinergia. So take the time, come in, learn it. Once you I see that you're interested in the opportunity, I will send you about 6 different videos that's not long at all that show you how to get your link, how to the things that you need to know, how to pretty much just set everything up and be on your way. So thank you guys for listening to my opportunity. It's brand new. Ain't nothing like getting in early and getting your team going. Have a great day.